Okay, hello, hi. My name is Nelson, and in today's lesson, we are going to make a continuation of our questions that we were able to make. Remember, we had talked about all this, so let's go direct to the question, and we see with the numbers that we are able to that we are not able to tackle. For example, we are having our part C, which is finding the number of pupils who like only one type of food. Then also those members within the whole class. So when you look at our first question, which was saying that in a class there are 24 pupils who likes matoke, which is abbreviated as M. That is going to be our set M. And then also 30 who likes rice. That means our set is also going to be rice. And the 16 like both matoke and rice. So you can see that they haven't provided us with the total number of classes, with the total number of pupils within the whole class. So here we have to be able to look for it and extract the information from that. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can solve this. Number one is to first extract the information. We had so far done this, but for this sake, to answer this question, you have to repeat it as you understand more. So let me pick my pen here. Okay, so we are having the number of, we are having the n intersection, the total number of what? The total number of pupils in the whole class, which are not given. We have to look for those members. Okay. Then you also have to look for those members that are only taking one subject. So this one is not given, but we have the number of pupils who are taking M. We know them, and also we know the number of pupils who are taking rice. We know them. Okay, so these are 24. Okay, have 24 here, and these are also 30. Okay, so these are 24 and 30. Then you also know the number of pupils who are taking both, that is both food, that is matoke and rice. Okay, we also know the number, which is 16. So in reference to our question, you will find out that we have the number 16. These 16 are the one taking both rice and matoke. So that means this number, which is taking both rice and matoke, for us to get the only number of these people who are taking only one category of food, we shall be able to get our number of people who are taking matoke. We subtract it from those who are taking both, that is 16. Also here we shall subtract it from both, that is also 16. Then after subtracting these members, we shall be able to now add those who are taking only one category of food. Okay, so let's make some subtraction here, and then we shall be able to add those who are taking only one category of what? One category of food. So what is 24 minus 6? That is going to be 24 minus 6. We shall be able to get our answer here, and also we shall be able to get our answer here. Okay, that is, what is 24 minus 6? Let's calculate together. This is our 24, then minus 16. Okay, let's calculate it from here. Okay, so this is impossible. Then I'll remain with our answer as 8. Okay, then here shall have remained with 1. So here it is a 0. So that means our 24 minus 6 shall be able to get our answer as 8. Then also when you subtract our 30 from our 30 from 16, 30 from 16, we shall be able to get our answers. This is borrow 1 from here, this becomes 10, this becomes 2. Okay, then here we shall be able to get our 4. Okay, from what is 6 minus 10, shall be able to get our 4 here. Then also 1 minus 2, our 1. So that means what is 30 minus 16, we shall be able to get our 14. Okay, so now here I want to understand the number of pupils who are only taking only one subject. Okay, number of pupils who are taking only one kind of food, not subject, we shall be able to get our 8. Okay, then plus our 14. Okay, so our answer here shall be equal to, this is going to be equal to 20 what? 22. Okay, this is 10, that is 20 what? 22, that is our answer. Then we also find out the number of pupils who are taking all this number of pupils within the whole class. Then to get the number of pupils within the whole class, that is the n summation will be equal to, now here we pick those pupils who only take one subject, where we have 8 and also 14, then plus those who are taking both. So this is going to be equal to our 8, then plus our 14. Okay, then plus our 16. So this is the same as 22, then plus 16, then we shall be able to get our answer. So what is 6 plus 2? That is 8. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3. So that means for us to get the total number of pupils who are within the whole class, they will be equal to 38. So that's how we can solve numbers concerning and also applying our basic knowledge that we have been learning in our recent lessons from that. So for this, let me say thank you very much for being part of this lesson. I'll also be able to check out on our playlist, and also subscribe, comment for us to get some more views, or some more comment, or some more notes on how we can simply make this the best. Stay blessed. Nice moment.